Where's your mileage log? I just found a $4,000 tax mistake and it took me about 5 minutes to do it. I was reviewing some clients' reviews today on Zoom with them, and everything looked good until I asked one question. Where's your mileage log? Silence. They had gas receipts, they had repairs, they had the insurance, they had the tolls, they had everything, but they had no mileage log. And so I had to tell them the truth. If the IRS audits his tax return, all this goes away. The whole deduction could disappear in a minute. This is why tax strategy is bigger than just numbers. It's about documentation and it's about law. Smart business owners don't just track money, they have proof. Now, the reason why the IRS will just get rid of that whole deduction if they ever were to get audited is because the IRS wants to know, how do you prove if this is personal driving miles or these are business driving miles? And so the IRS wants to see a record that you keep consistently to be able to prove that. So again, anytime you're doing a tax return, you want to make sure your tax return is audit proof from the start, because most audits don't happen year one. They happen 1, 2, 3, or 4 years later. And a lot of times, because I'm dealing with one right now, they'll come back and they'll talk to to the business owner. They'll ask for records and they won't have them. And I just had this happen to me with a audit. They do what's called disallow everything. So if you don't have everything, or if you don't have the documentations that they are looking for, they just simply get rid of it. All right. So again, my name is Camari Ellis. I'm an enroll agent. I've been doing taxes and strategizing about taxes over the last 30 years. If you need help with any tax issues, feel free to hit me up in my DMs, shoot me an email. I'm here to help.